Irwindale, California. It's lap 43 of a 50-lap sprint at the Irwindale Speedway. And Kevin Wood, in the number 34 car, is about to make his move for the lead. He races to the outside of the track and finds car number 4 already there. The two cars collide at over 90 miles an hour, slamming into a protruding exit wall that flips them both over. It's a grisly sight. Officials halt the race, while the stunned crowd waits in silence. A minute later, a sign of hope. The driver of the number 4 car emerges unscathed. But Kevin Wood is still pinned inside his crumpled racer. Emergency workers scramble to free him from the twisted debris. Then, a miracle. Wood escapes from the wreckage without a scratch. He waves to the crowd to let them know he's okay. It's an amazing end to a brutal accident.